So let's check how we can create free thumbnail by using Canva. Let's create a thumbnail for Freefire, which I'm going to upload. It's very free. It's free completely. You just simply have to go to the website and go to the app and select like what you want to do, which category you want to create a thumbnail. Simply select. There are many options like for travel blogs to gaming, photography, everything. So suppose I'm selecting gaming, then there are many templates which are free. But if you want to create more like elegant something like that, you can go for pro, which is around 3 to 4,000 Indian rupee. So suppose I'm creating a Free Fire thumbnail. So you can see I selected that, then I have to whatever name you want to give. You can play with the colors here. There are many neon letters design. You can select those and you create, and you can change the picture, you can change the background over here. There are many options, many categories, many pictures, many letters, designs which are free completely. So you can select those and create the thumbnail, which is completely free. And you can see I'm selecting with the colorful letters, and I'm typing my words like Free Fire here, what I'm typing. And in that way I can completely design it, and I can save it to my mobile and can upload it to my like YouTube video, which is very easy and completely free. And all this takes only 1 minute, and simply can change the thumbnail or make ready a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Simply easy. I'll put the link in the description. You can check that. If you want to download, you can download it from there. It's completely free. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.